Welcome to Storytelling DIY, the colorful oasis that inspires you to tell your own stories. Today it is about a story that everyone can tell, even if you don't believe that you have a narrative to share with others. It all starts with this question: what is or was a place, a space, or locality that you love to be in and keep going back to? How did it become your favorite place? Let me give you a few examples from people I have asked. The place behind the sofa at Grandma's house. Underneath a climbing rack on a playground. A special restaurant in Greece. In the hayloft in a barn for horses. This location does not have to be from your past. Maybe you discovered it not so long ago. Once you remember it, go there in your mind. Look around. See the colors, hear the sounds, feel the surfaces, breathe in. Tell this to others, your partner, your kids, to friends, and you will notice how your story gets their full attention. Here's my favorite place, and since this is a video, I show you images of it. But it is not necessary when you tell your favorite place story. My favorite place is on the North Sea, somewhere between two fishing villages on the East Frisian coastline. It does not look like much. In fact, it is an old rail to help swimmers navigate the stones going into the sea at high tide. Sitting there and looking at the coastline, or what is immediately in front of me, listening to the waves, and at low tide hearing the mudflats talk and the seabirds call give me inner peace. Behind me, the levee that protects the land from the sea, with sheep keeping the grass short and the soil hard packed. Calm days are tranquil, with the occasional fishing boat passing by, and the grasses bowing in the almost constant wind. Almost dreamlike. Autumn and winter change the atmosphere. Cold and cool days. But always my place with a wide horizon. Authenticity, closeness to the sea and nature. Where I go to rest and find my even keel again. So where is your space? Become aware of it and have a close look. Share your story. You never know who you may touch with it. See you soon in my next Storytelling DIY video.